Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I am going to explain you how to partition your SSD into C and D drives, or you can do it by following this method into as many drives you want as per your requirements. In my case, I have a 1 TB SSD which is a C drive. I want to make it as a 400 GB for operating system and applications and 600 GB for my storage. So what I have to do is actually, what I want to do is I want to use a software called EaseUs Partition Wizard. Let let's let's open EaseUs Partition Wizard Master. Okay, I have a pro subscription of EaseUs Partition Master Professional Edition, and this is my C drive disk 0, which is a 1 TB of SSD. So what I have to do is I want to convert into two drives. So first I have to do is I have to resize this to 400 GB so that I will get an unallocated space. So, or you can just type here 400 GB, click OK, and let's wait for a moment so that the software will finish it. Okay, now just click on apply. It will just take a few moments to convert our or resize our drive to 400 GB. So that will be C, the partition which is for mainly for primary purpose, that is operating system and softwares. Okay, now our 400 GB drive has been created successfully. Now click on done here. Now we have got an allocated space of 553 GB. Actually, we want to create 600 GB, but actually we don't get exact GB here. Okay, now what I have to do is we have to select this unallocated space and select create. Then we can give it a name, but it is optional. Then click on OK. Now after clicking OK, we have to select the execute task. Then select apply. See how fast it's created the new disk. Now you just select yes. Then click on done. That's it. You can see now we have got a C drive and a D drive. You can also check the same in this PC also. So this is a SSD C drive, which is around 399 GB, and the left over the space we have converted to disk 2, that is D drive. So this is how we can convert or we can make a partitions to your SSDs or HDDs using EaseUs Partition Master Professional Edition. If you want to have this software, you can download it through the link provided in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and it is very helpful for you, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik from the Smart Dev Coder signing off.